Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished up another look, which I don't know if it's going up before or after this one, so I'm not telling you what it is. So yeah, I just kind of like removed the lip that I had on and the lashes, and I'm going to transform this into another look. So for this video, if you are an Adventure Time fan, as me and Preston are, I'm going to do a Flame Princess tutorial. So another animated, you know, little cartoon character like Anger from Inside Out. So we'll see how this goes. I don't know. I'm in the mood to paint myself a whole different color. So let's just see how it goes, you know? So if you don't know who Flame Princess is, this is her. This is what she looks like. So her skin is definitely like orangey yellow. So I'm probably gonna have to mix a couple colors. But yeah, we're just gonna start off with that. We're gonna do this. So I'm going to, as always with these types of looks, I'm going to grab my Wet n Wild paint palette. And it is absolutely so messy, so don't judge me. And I'm gonna start off using just the Brights palette, and it's rough. I told you it's rough. I might at some point use some of the pastels to help like highlight and stuff, but we will cross that bridge when we reach that. Okay, and so I just literally like, I think 2 days ago or something, did my Inside Out Anger look. So this little like Shany brush, it's S-H-A-N-Y, and it's the F001. Mine and Preston's friend Stephen got me this for Christmas with like a bunch of other makeup from this brand. But yeah, that's why it's red, because I used the red color. But it actually works out good because like I said, she's like orangey yellow. So I'm actually going to, this is actually yellow, but this is, you know, I mixed the red and the yellow to make like an orange. So I'm just gonna dip into that and kind of just keep mixing around until it's like the right color. I know that's not helpful. I know that's not very helpful, I'm sorry. But that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know why, but like when I thought about like doing a makeup look today for Halloween, I just really wanted to paint my skin one of these colors. I just wanted to be bright again. So, and yes, I know some of the red is still coming in, but we will fix that, it's fine. So I'm trying to wipe some more of this red off of the brush, to be honest with you, because I think it's gonna be too much red and it's gonna make me too orange. So I should have washed this beforehand, but that's fine. If you're an Adventure Time watcher, comment down below who your favorite character is. Honestly, I think I'm gonna have to say Lemongrab. He's so terrible, but he's so funny. He's like literally the one character that every single time he's on there, I freaking crack up laughing. Just because his voice, Justin Roiland, is like so funny. He's just one of those voice actors that it's like, I feel like you would know him anywhere. And as I'm going, because I did kind of like wipe off this brush with the red, I mean it's still kind of stained on there, but it's not really mixing with that yellow as much anymore. I'm mixing with the orange. So like mixing the yellow and the orange to make it a little bit more of like an orangey yellow, obviously. I'm tying my bangs back a little bit because I don't want a bunch of makeup in them because they're gonna be kind of part of the costume. So this is the look we're gonna stick with for the rest of the time being. And I'm making sure to kind of like push this right into my hairline here too. Kiba, let me be. Making sure to cover my ears too, just because I don't want those to show in a picture and not match. That would look a little funky. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera because honestly I'm just wasting battery by sitting here by myself just coating everything in this color. So I'm gonna do all of this, and yeah, I probably will tap this just lightly over my brows to just kind of like give them this tone. I don't know what I'm doing with my brows yet, but I just, you know, I'm gonna cover all of the rest of the skin. We'll probably bring this down my neck just for pictures and stuff, because this is actually the top that I'll be wearing. But yeah, I'll be back when that's done, because this is just me sitting here doing this, so. I don't think you guys fully understand just how long this took me, especially with a little pan that is already basically out of yellow. It took so much. Okay, I brought it all the way down here because you can't see past there. Okay, I brought it everywhere. I also wasn't gonna do this off camera, but I set everything pretty heavily with the Coty Airspun powder. The reason I did that off camera was because one, it again took way longer than what anyone wants to watch. And two, I had to take this off for a moment so that I could get all the way down here. So not gonna show you my goodies. So now I'm gonna grab my Morphe 35B palette right here with all of the fun colors. And I'm gonna do, I don't know if I wanna do like eyeshadow or anything, but I'm definitely gonna try to like contour and stuff, I think, with this palette. And I'm going to use the, that brand, the Shany or Shany, whatever it is, F004. I don't know if that is the kind of brush that this is, but that's all that's on here. So that's the brush I'm using. It's just this rounded guy right here. So I'm just gonna mix the red and the yellow shades in here. I wanted to try it a little bit before I told you guys, sorry. But yeah, I just took the red right here and the yellow. I think I'm actually gonna grab some of this orange too and kind of go back over that. Yeah, careful not to go too heavy-handed with that red because I definitely did and I just had to blend it back out. So after I like kind of lay down this contour color, I'm just taking my big Vintage Company, the Vintage Company or something, that's what this brush is, and I'm just dabbing over top of it and kind of blending it out. So far, not this year specifically, but so far like overall, I have been blue-green, I have been blue, I have been red, now I've been orangey yellow, and I still have to be just straight up green. So there's a hint to future costumes you'll be seeing from me. I'm kind of digging this color, I'm not gonna lie. And then as far as my eyes, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna go too crazy because it is a little character, it's not like a person, but I'm gonna take more of that orange color in here and just kind of pat that over my lid. Just to add a little bit of something here. Oh, and I totally forgot to tell you, I'm using the Morphe E13 brush to do this. It's just kind of like a fluffy, like a big fluffy eyeshadow guy here. A big fluffy eyeshadow guy. I just like this guy because it covers more like surface area at once. Okay, so that's pretty much all that I'm doing for the eyeshadow. I don't even know if I'm gonna put any under my eye because she's young, so I don't know. I feel like leaving the under eye alone kind of makes me feel a little bit more like innocent and like open eye, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna leave that, and then as far as like my brows go, I think I'm going to take the Melt Lovesick color right here, just on my NARS 38 angled brush right here. And I'm just gonna go back over like where the, you know, previous stuff was that I did, and just kind of fill over that with this red. Ooh, okay, so I just switched something up. I only did that Lovesick color on like the majority of the brow, and now I'm just taking that bright red shade from the Morphe 35B, and I'm just doing that at the front of the brow, so it kind of gives like an ombre effect of just like reds. Okay, and I don't know how I missed this step, but I'm actually gonna do highlighter with this look. I mean, she's a princess, so why not? And I'm gonna use the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter because it is like very gold, so I feel like it's gonna go really well with this look. And I'm just gonna use my Morphe M510 brush right here. I feel like usually when I do these like painted face looks, I can't, like I don't really do the highlight look other than just like the colors being lighter in like these areas and stuff. But yeah, I actually get to do this time. I'm also going to switch over to my little MAC brush right here that I've never known the number of, and I'm just going to use this Amrezy highlighter on my inner corners of my eyes here and my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips so that I can do my lashes and stuff off camera. And I'm gonna use the Fenty lipstick in, let me see. I'm gonna use the Fenty Poutsicle lipstick in Hot Blooded. First, I'm gonna put chapstick on though. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do some, I already have some mascara just left over from my previous look, but I'm going to go back over them with the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. And then on the outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to do some of the Salon Perfect Light and Fluffy Wispy lashes right here that I've cut in half. The inner portion of the lash will go on the outer portion of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick and I'll be right back. Ha! I didn't even warn you. I didn't even warn you that I was finishing everything. Normally I'm like, I'll be back. Honestly, it was kind of a mistake, so sorry, I didn't mean to. So yeah, I just went ahead and did my lashes. Like I said, I used the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara, did some little half lashes. I didn't do any mascara on the bottom for the same reason that I didn't do any like eyeshadow underneath. Also, I had literally no idea how to make my hair like her hair literally is kind of like flames that just kind of go up off the back of her head completely. So this is my version. It's just like a high ponytail with some cute bangs because she does have like fire bangs. And then I just made like the little jewel thing out of paper. I don't love it. It could have been better, but this is just, I'm working with what I have. I also made another one to put right here. So that's in the pictures because she has like a matching situation going on here. So yeah, this is it. This is Flame Princess. It was a pretty simple look, to be honest. It really wasn't like difficult in any way. The hardest part was just like all of this skin color just being covered up was so time consuming. Like I've never brought this much color like this far down onto my body before, and it took so long. Like all of the rest of it took no time at all, but that was just a lot. Anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking with me again through another crazy Halloween video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I'm watching you. Hit that button, hit that subscribe button now. And then if you want to see the little fun TikTok that I put together, which I think is going to be awesome, you're really going to enjoy it, or the Instagram pictures that I will take, edit, and kind of make little cute adjustments to, whatever, head over to my TikTok and my Instagram. Here are both of my handles right here. Head over there, follow me, like, comment nice things, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, a great night, whatever time of day it is when you are watching this, and I will see you in the next Halloween video. Bye!